Hey everybody, I'm Mark and this is Upgrades Complete, and today I'm going to be answering your questions from yesterday about power draw, power management, and how I knew my motor was being overtaxed by a drag chain using just a few simple devices that you can buy online for a couple of dollars. This is a Wi-Fi enabled smart monitoring plug. Now, this plug here will send information to my phone. I can look it up. It's on a graph essentially, and I can get into more detail on that. And if there's a spike, if something's drawing too much power that is plugged into this, I will know, and I will know right away. For $9, and I will put a link in the description. So click on this. Get this if you don't have it, and make sure one of these are in each of your printers. The second thing is an infrared thermometer. This is something you should have in your toolkit at all times. You can use this to monitor heat on your hot end, heat up at your motor, heat under your bed, and you can have a good idea of what's going on. The third and most important thing I don't have in front of me, and that's a standard voltmeter that, of course, again, you can order on Amazon or Harbor Freight or wherever you use. Everybody should have a voltmeter because X, Y, Z, it's all run by wires, and power goes to each one of them. And you can use a voltmeter, put it on the wires, and tell how much draw or extra draw or too little draw is being used by that specific part, and you can track an issue down before you ever have an issue. Somebody was saying yesterday about having a drag chain on for 2 years and never had an issue. That's fine. You might never have an actual issue, but you're going to kill the longevity of a part. Especially if you're running something without dual Z's, without direct drive. You don't need to get fancy, and aesthetics are not worth wear on your machine. So I really hope that these couple simple things help you out in successful printing and safety and monitoring these machines that really need to be watched. And if something's wrong, you can catch it for $9. So I hope this helped you guys out. Most of these links will be on my YouTube as well, so like and subscribe, and I appreciate it.